Welcome to our channel and welcome to another technical analysis video. Bago natin pag-usapan yung tatlong stocks natin for this video, mag-recap muna tayo ng Philippine Stock Exchange Index natin. ESEI closed at 5,942.16. Malapit siya dito sa support level natin na 5,800. Gusto natin makita na mag-support yung price level na to or tumaas pa siya. Otherwise, pag nabutas itong 5,800 natin, the index may visit the 5,500 level around this area. And malalim na to and 52-week low na to para sa index natin. Overall, bearish pa rin yung index natin. But let us see this week if the market will go up or ano yung magiging direction niya this coming week. Let us proceed with the three stocks that we will discuss on this video. Una sa listahan natin is Maynilad. Kita natin dito sa Darvas box natin, Maynilad is on its bullish trend kasi above sa moving average yung mga candles natin. And makikita din natin na at nag-a-attempt na i-break out ni Maynilad yung resistance ng Darvas box natin. Successful breakout ni Maynilad may strongly push the stock further and we may consider this breakout as the good entry. Then for the exit, we can simply follow the trend using the moving average line or set a target price. Ako ang ginagawa ko is dinoduplicate ko yung Darvas box. So for this example, dinoduplicate lang natin yung Darvas box. So we could determine the potential target price natin would be this top of the box or around 25.85. Yan. You may also wanted to set up a stop loss using the breakout line dito. Pag bumalik yung stock sa breakout line, it simply means na hindi nag-materials yung trade objective. Ito yung mga 2 points na pwede natin consider. Entry dito sa breakout, stop loss pag bumalik siya dito sa break breakout entry, then set the target price. Either duplicate the Darvas box or simply follow trend yung 20-day moving average para mas ma-maximize yung cost potential gain. Next on our list is Meralco. Another utility stock on our technical analysis. And by simply looking at the chart, makikita natin na bullish yung stock ni Meralco as the candles are above the moving average. And makikita natin dito sa plotted Darvas box natin that recently nag-breakout na si Meralco in this area. This gave Meralco a good push. However, yung last closing candle niya dito, medyo nagkaroon ng selling pressure dito. Itong candle na to, nagkaroon ng selling pressure. Although hindi naman siya bumaba below the breakout line, kaya intact pa rin yung trade condition. For the important levels, pwede natin i-duplicate yung Darvas box natin to determine our target price dito sa taas ng duplicated box natin. Yan. Pwede natin gamitin to as our target price. Or pwede rin natin consider yung gamitin itong 20-day moving average natin as our trend following line. Let us see this week if ma-maintain ni Meralco yung position niya above this breakout line. And huli sa listahan natin for this video is Pure Gold. So, For pure gold naman, ito makikita natin siya dito sa malaking Darvas box niya na nasa loob ng Starbucks pa rin yung mga candles niya. And kung makikita natin dito, gusto natin dito kay Pure Gold is above yung mga candlesticks sa moving average natin, which is a sign that the stock is bullish. And given this information, ang gusto natin ma-achieve ni Pure Gold is breakout above the Darvas box to give us strong entry signal. Then we set the target price either using yung trend line or kagaya ng palaging ginagamit yung ido-duplicate yung box. Then yung above, yung taas ng second box natin will be our target price. For me, ganito lang kasimple yung mga sinusunod kong conditions. Sabi nga nila, trend is your friend, and dahil wala tayong shorting dito sa PSE, I find using moving average lines helpful to spot long entries or simply uptrend positions. Very basic lang yung gamit ng moving average ko. 'Pag nasa taas ng moving average yung stock, dapat sinasama mo na 'to sa mga binabantayan mo. Mataas yung probability nito na magkaroon ng continuation. Pero siyempre kailangan mo din gamit ng iba pang indicators itong moving average to confirm your trade idea. For my setups, yan na muna yung i-share ko dito. If interested ka to know more of my trade setup, subscribe to this channel and I will share them sa mga susunod na video analysis natin. Thank you for watching and see you sa susunod na video.